Okay, so if you want to speed up an animation that you have made with Google Slides just by publishing it to the web, there's a little hack that whenever you get your publish to the web URL, if you just change a few numbers at the end, you can make it go a little bit faster. So the first thing that you need to do is have your animation open. I'm going to go File, Publish to the web, and then you want to find where it says Auto Advanced Slides here, and you can leave this at 3, or you can just do it every second. Either way, you can still change this, but I always just put it to a second and then lower from there. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. I always click these things so they loop. So now I'm going to click Publish, and what that's going to do is it's going to give me this URL right here, and I'm going to copy this and open a new tab and paste that in here. But before I click Enter, I want to change the very end. So when you paste it, your cursor will go to the end of that URL, and you'll notice that whatever you set it on, if you did 3 seconds, it'll be 3,000. If you did 1 second, it'll be 1,000. And so what that is telling it the millisecond delay between moving the slide forward. So right now it's 1,000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. And I want that to be, if using basic fractions, maybe I want to have 4 frames every second. So I'll do 250. So that'll move the frame forward every quarter second. Or you can go as low as you want. 250 is about like a pretty good sweet spot for not going too fast that it looks crazy. You can still kind of keep your eye on what's going on. So I'm going to change that from 1,000 to 250. And now I'm going to press Enter. And my animation, see how the frames move forward every quarter second, then every second, it just looks a little better, a little more fluid when that animation plays. So the main thing you got to know is whenever you paste that publish to the web URL, just to change that number at the end. And you can do it incrementally. You can go lower. If it's not going fast enough, you can paste it again. You can go lower, and you can always go higher again if you need it to play faster. So you have some options there with the way that you want to speed up your animations. All right, hopefully that helped, and let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.